Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to get the distance between your store and the customer's location on nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature is very powerful as it allows your customers to know how far they are from your store. To achieve this, we need to make an API call that helps to calculate the distance between the two locations. Also, it is very important to know the latitude and longitude of your store. You can easily get the latitude and longitude by searching your store on Google Map. Set the request URL and add your account API token to the header section. Please note that this is a post request. In the body section, you need 4 important parameters: source latitude, source longitude, destination latitude, and the destination longitude. Remember that the source latitude is your store latitude. The source longitude is your store longitude. The destination latitude is the latitude of the user's location. The destination longitude is the longitude of the user's location. The response body shows the value of the distance between the locations in meters and miles. You can easily save the value of the data returned in the response body into a custom field. It is called response mapping. Take note of the entire setup as we are going to use these values in our flow in a few seconds. Now let us create a flow to see how this works. There you have it. You just learned how to get the distance between your store and your customer's location on nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.